UGREEN NAS DH4300 Plus 4-bay Desktop NASync, the missing private cloud you've been paying for.
You're staring at the same cloud bill again this month, the one that arrives like clockwork year after year. Another $9.99, $19.99, maybe $59.99, quietly deducted while you upload the kids' birthday videos, your vacation photos, the scans of old family albums you finally digitized. Most people never stop to notice how these small charges have already added up to thousands, or how every memory now lives on someone else's servers, bound by their rules, their price hikes, their policies, their threat of account lock if you miss a payment. You feel the faint weight of it, don't you? That moment when it hits you that you don't actually own any of it.
And that weight compounds. Every year the bill grows as your life grows. More photos, more videos, more documents you simply can't delete. You spend evenings cleaning duplicates across phones and drives. You hesitate before recording a long video because storage is almost full. And you quietly worry that one day the company will change the terms, slow your access, or vanish with everything you trusted them to protect. The money drains silently. The privacy erodes steadily. And the piece you thought you bought with unlimited storage leaks away until one morning you feel it in your shoulders. This can't keep going.
This is where UGREEN NAS DH4300 Plus 4-bay Desktop NASync enters, and everything shifts. It's a one-time box that becomes your personal unlimited cloud, living in your home, holding up to 120 terabytes without ever sending you another bill. Its quiet superpowers feel almost unfair once you experience them. Automatic phone backups every night. AI that recognizes every family member's face across decades and builds albums without effort. Secure remote access from anywhere that's actually private. 4K playback straight to your TV. And setup so simple, your parents could do it. One user went from 47 scattered hard drives and 3 cloud accounts to everything in one place. Organized, safe, searchable. In a single weekend. And yes, you're allowed to own everything forever. That's allowed.
No one argues after they see the numbers and the proof. Over 10 years, you save $6,568 compared to a 12-terabyte cloud plan. And that's before the price hikes everyone expects. Users say their phone storage stays empty because everything backs up automatically. Photographers move terabytes over 2.5 gigabit Ethernet without waiting hours. Families finally find that one video from 2017 in seconds instead of giving up. Experts call it the most compelling entry-level NAS ever released, praising the polished UGOS interface and the fact 8 gigabytes RAM plus Intel QuickSync comes standard, not upsold later like the others. I felt it myself after 3 weeks. I stopped thinking about storage at all. It just worked, quietly, perfectly.
The deepest gift is the calm that settles in when your entire digital life finally belongs to you. No more bills, no more dread, no more renting your own memories. Start today, and tomorrow morning you wake up one step closer to freedom. Wait, and you'll just pay another cloud invoice for nothing. Link in the description. First one pinned to the top. I'll see you on the other side, where everything is finally, truly yours.